Hey guys, just me out there again, Josh Littleton, and if there's any guys out there that have any problems snoring out there, there's a great product. It's called My Snoring Solution Bongo. I have problems snoring. My old lady complains about it all the time. I've used it for a while, and well, it seems to be fixing the problem. So if you want to know more about this product, just check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. Like I said, if you need to know more about it, just go visit the link. Whatever, it should tell you what you need to know. Thanks.